Welcome and welcome back to ODLA's Nourish, Restore, and Embodiment sessions. I was gonna do something else tonight, but my spirit has moved me to address the passing of the young man among the others who have passed as well. And we know that their lives were taken, and I know as a collective we are grieving. And I want to address this because many times in the melanated community we're not taught how to really grieve, and we were taught to be strong. We were told, just rise to the occasion, to hold the family together, to keep going, to pray, to work, to survive. But somewhere along the way, many of us were never taught, as I said, to grieve. So grief doesn't disappear because we ignore it. And the body remembers what the mind tries to outrun. So tonight isn't about fixing our pain. It's about giving our body 4 minutes to breathe with it. So I want you to find a comfortable position and allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your body to feel heavy where you are, your feet grounded. And let's send our body love. And when you inhale golden light from the sun and fill your whole body up inside with it. So inhale golden light. And exhale any shadows. You don't have to force yourself to feel anything right now, but simply notice your breath and take a slow inhale again through your nose, filling your body up with golden light from the sun. And gently exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in. And slowly let it go. If grief is present today, if you've lost someone, and even though these babies are not biologically ours, they are ours. They belong to us. So we can send their souls love and project golden light energy to them at this time. If you lost something, a dream, you've lost a relationship, or even the version of yourself you thought you would become, embrace this moment too and send yourself love. You don't have to carry it alone for these next few minutes. I'm here with you. And every inhale, remind yourself, I am safe enough to breathe. With every exhale, whisper, I release what no longer resonates with me. So inhale. And exhale. And you may continue at this time breathing at your own pace, and just notice where you may feeling the grief in your body. Do you feel it in your chest? Do you feel it in your throat, your stomach, your shoulders? Don't need to change it or fix it right now. Simply breathe towards it with kindness. And as you give yourself love, these images of these beautiful young souls that appear on your screen, send them love as well as you send yourself love. See, to grieve doesn't mean that you're weak. To actually feel and to cry, this isn't weakness. It is love that it is love that has nowhere to go but to yourself. And each breath creates a little more space for your heart, space for your nervous system, space for healing to begin. Because as a collective, we've been through it. So one more slow breath in, inhale. And a long exhale. Feel the support beneath you. You are still here. Your breath is still here. And today, this is enough. Allow yourself to feel. Don't numb anything today. If no one has ever given you permission to slow down and grieve, this is your reminder. This is your time to do it. And healing doesn't begin by pretending you're okay. And this is what we, as a collective, in the melanated community, this is what we do. We just rise to the occasion. So today it begins the moment you feel safe enough to breathe right now. Breathe through it. Feel it. So let's call their names. Gerald Jackson. His body was found hanging in a wooded area outside the Electric Forest Festival in Michigan. We send you golden, loving, healing energy. Tony Miller found hanging in a park in Miami. Let's send Tony Miller love. Juliana, 16-year-old, hanging near a church in Charlotte. Let's send her soul healing love. Caleb Masinga found in Georgia hanging. Therese found in Delta State. His body was found in Delta State University in Mississippi. Let's send him love. Nolan Wells recently, July 4th, 18-year-old, disappeared when he went to Horn Highland in Mississippi. Let's send him love. All of these young souls, except Nolan, were found hanging, and their deaths, their passing was deemed that they did it to themselves. And we know that's not true. Let's send them love. Healing love. Send yourself love for giving yourself this permission to pause and feel at this moment. As you hear that plane in the background, let's send their souls love, that they will fly like an eagle and their souls will rest in peace. Ashe, one love.